The Israel Defense Forces Nahal Infantry Brigade received the first indigenous Eitan armored fighting vehicles. The 8-wheel drive vehicles, developed by the Ministry of Defense Tank Administration in cooperation with the IDF Ground Forces, will replace the Vietnam-era M113 tracked armored personnel carriers that still support the bulk of Israeli infantry. The new armored personnel carrier weighs up to 35 tons, has a 750 horsepower engine, and can reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour on paved roads. The hulls of new wheeled fighting vehicles were built by US-based Oshkosh Defense Company, a wholly owned subsidiary of Oshkosh Corporation. The Israeli Ministry of Defense has selected Oshkosh Defense to produce the Armored Personnel Carrier (APC) hulls for the Israeli Defense Forces on January 2023. As part of this contract, valued at over $100 million, Oshkosh Defense will build hundreds of Eitan APC main hulls. Israeli media reported that Eitan is the world's best protected armored personnel carrier.